Morning student, myself Dr. Aparna Digde. Today's lecture topic is metal carbonyl. The contents of metal carbonyl, definition of metal carbonyl, properties of metal carbonyls, classification of metal carbonyls, study of mononuclear carbonyls. In that, we will see three types of metal carbonyls: nickel carbonyl, iron carbonyl, and cobalt carbonyl. In that, we will see preparation of physical properties, chemical properties, and structures of carbonyls. So, first we will see the definition of metal carbonyls. Metal carbonyls are compounds which are formed by the combination of carbonyls ligand with the transition metal atom. Oxidation state is 0. General formula of metal carbonyl is MgCO by Y. The nickel carbonyl is prepared by Mons in 1983. In 1895, the Langer and Quinkers prepared other carbonyls using transition metals. Properties of metal carbonyls. The physical state. The most of the metallic carbonyls are either liquid or volatile solid. The majority of the mononuclear carbonyls are colorless to pale yellow except VCO by 6, which is a bluish black solid. Polynuclear carbonyls exhibits dark color. Solubility. The metal carbonyls are soluble in organic solvent like diethyl ether, glacial acetic acid, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, and acetone. Magnetic property of carbonyls. All the metal carbonyls except VCO6 are diamagnetic. The metals with even atomic number have a tendency to form mononuclear carbonyls. Therefore, all the electrons in the metal carbonyls are paired, while in case of dinuclear metal carbonyls, the unpaired and unpaired odd electron present in metal atoms are utilized in the formation of metal-metal bond. Thermal stability. The most of the metals carbonyls melt or decompose at low temperature and therefore they are very toxic in nature. Next, the classification of metal carbonyls. Metal carbonyls are classified into two types. First, classification based on the number of metal atoms, and second, the classification based on nature of bonding. So, metal carbonyls classified into two types: the mononuclear metal carbonyls and second, polynuclear metal carbonyls. The example of mononuclear metal carbonyl is NiCO by 6, nickel carbonyl, and iron carbonyl FeCO by 5. Second classification is polynuclear metal carbonyl. In that case, it is also classified into two types: homonuclear polynuclear metal carbonyl, heteronuclear polynuclear metal carbonyls. म्हणजे homonuclear म्हणजे same आणि hetero म्हणजे two different. Homonuclear polynuclear metal carbonyl. The example of that Mn2CO by 10, CO2 CO86 म्हणजे दोन कोबाल्ट ॲटम आणि CO86 म्हणजे होमो. दोन्ही मेटल ॲटम्स काय आहे? तो होमो आहे, सेम आहे, म्हणजे होमोन्यूक्लियर पॉलीन्यूक्लियर metal carbonyl. In case heteronuclear polynuclear metal carbonyl, the MnCO, two metals are different. That's why it is heteronuclear polynuclear metal carbonyls. Second, the classification based on the nature of bonding. The metal carbonyls are classified into two types: the mononuclear metal carbonyl, terminal carbons, terminal carbonyls and polynuclear metal carbonyls. In mononuclear metal carbonyls, the terminal carbon is COM. CO NiCO by 4, FeCO by 5, CrCO by 6. The polynuclear metal carbonyls is classified into two types, the terminal carbonyls and bridge carbonyls. Mn2 CO by 10 and bridge carbonyl CO2 cobalt 2 CO by 8. In that case, the bridge formed between the two metals atom. Study of mononuclear carbonyls. In that we will see nickel carbonyl, iron carbonyl and cobalt carbonyl. First we will see nickel carbonyl. NiCO by 4. The preparation of nickel carbonyl. It can be prepared by passing carbon monoxide over nickel in temperature range 60 to 100 degrees centigrade. Ni plus 4CO, Ni plus 4CO at 60 degrees centigrade, it gives nickel carbonyl, NiCO by 4. It can also be prepared by passing CO through alkaline suspension of nickel iodine or nickel sulfide in presence of copper. NiS, the nickel sulfate, is reacted with 4CO, म्हणजे carbon monoxide in presence of CO. It gives NiCO by 4, nickel carbonyl. In second case, NiI2, nickel iodine plus 4CO, carbon monoxide, 4 molecules of carbon monoxide in presence of CO, copper. It gives nickel carbonyl, NiCO by 4. इथे लिहायचं राहिलं. Physical properties of nickel carbonyl. It is a colorless liquid with a melting point 25 degrees centigrade. The boiling point is 43 degrees centigrade and decomposition temperature in the range of 180 to 200. It is soluble in water but dissolved in organic solvent. The chemical properties. In chemical properties, the NiCO by 4, there are four chemical properties, 4 types of NiCO by 4. First is decomposition. When NiCO by 4, when nickel carbonyl heating, it gives Ni plus 4 molecules of CO, carbon monoxide. Second reaction is when NiCO by 4 means nickel carbonyl is reacted with acid, that is H2SO4, it gives NiCO by 4 plus 4CO plus H2. Nickel sulfate does not react with HBr and HI but react with HCl with very small extent. Third is nickel carbonyl is reacted with halogen Cl2 and it gives NiCl2 plus 4CO. Second is NiCO by 4 is reacted with BrCl2. It gives NiBr2 4 plus 4CO. Fourth is when nickel carbonyl is reacted with ligand orthophenanthrolene, it gives NiCO by 2 phenanthrene. Second is when a nickel carbonyl is reacted with pyridine, it gives NiCO2 by pyridine 2. These are the chemical properties of nickel carbonyl. The structure of nickel carbonyl. Nickel tetracarbonyl has a tetrahedral geometry with NiC bond. Okay, nickel carbon bond length is 1.5 angstrom. Nickel atom in nickel carbonyl is sp3 hybridized. All the all the 10 electron present in the valence shell of Ni atom get Ni. What is the electronic configuration of Ni? Ni is equal to 3d8 4s2. Get paired in 3d orbitals due to the strong field CO ligand and valence shell configuration of Ni atom in NiCO by 4 molecule becomes 3d10 4s0. The CO-Ni bond, CO-Ni back bond result from the overlapping of empty sp3 hybrid orbital of Ni atom and the HO of carbon atom in CO molecule, that is carbon monoxide. That is the tetrahedral geometry of nickel carbonyl. See, Ni Z is electronic configuration, atomic number. Z is equal to 28 at ground state. Three D 2 4 6 8 and 4s2. This 4s2 it get excited to the 3d